I wish you blessed morning today. Dear students, good morning to all. Let me introduce myself. I am A. Sankas. I am in the subject in 11th Biobotany, Chapter 6, Cell, the Unit of Life. The previous class we are discussed about cell history, types of cells, cell size and shape. Now I am going to discuss about types of cells. There are the three types of cells. Based on the conditions, organizations, cellular organizations and nuclear characters. There are three types of cell based on the characters, cellular organization and nuclear characters. There are three types. The first one is prokaryotes. Then second one is mesokaryotes. And third one is eukaryotes. So how many types of the cells? There are the three types of cells. What are the characters are involved? There is only three types of cells based the conditions, the cellular organization and nuclear characters. The first one is prokaryotes, the second one is mesokaryotes, and third one is eukaryotes. The previous class we have discussed about the character species of only prokaryotes and mesokaryotes and then eukaryotes. Now I am going to discuss about comparison between the cellular organization in prokaryotes, mesokaryotes and eukaryotes. The features of cellular characters, then prokaryotes, then mesokaryotes, then eukaryotes. So comparison between these prokaryotes, mesokaryotes and eukaryotes. The first one is prokaryotes. So prokaryotes means pro refers to primitive. The cells are formed by the process nuclear materials not well developed. So karyotes means nucleus. Karyotes means nucleus. So nucleus only development of cells occurs only prokaryote cells. In mesokaryote cells, development of only nucleus, and eukaryote cells, well development of nucleus occurs of the cell, that is called eukaryotic cells. So meso refers to middle, karyotes refers to nucleus. Karyotes refers to nucleus. So U refers to true and karyotes refers to nucleus. When development of nucleus occurs the eukaryotic cellular organization, cellular organelles, and development of nucleus occurs only mesokaryotic cells, and poorly development of nucleus occurs only prokaryotic cells. The first point, size of the cells. Size of the cells. The prokaryotic size of the cells 1 to 5 microns. 1 to 5 microns. In mesokaryotic cells, then 5 to 10 microns. 10 microns, and eukaryotic cells 10 to 100 microns in measured about the size of the cell. The next one is nuclear characters. Nuclear characters. So nuclear characters, nucleoid. What is nucleoid? Nucleus also called a incipient nucleus. Incipient nucleus. Well development of nucleus surrounded by this nuclear membrane. The well development of nucleus occurs only surrounded by the two nuclear membranes. That's outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. With this nuclear membrane inside that is called a nucleoplasm. Nucleoplasm. And outer nuclear membrane, then inner nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. Inside the nucleoplasm contains one nucleolus. Nucleolus. Inside the nucleoplasm contains small spherical shaped substance that is called a nucleolus. Then chromatin reticulum. So DNA circular or formed linear formed, circular or either linear formed chromatin reticulums are found in only, that is called chromosomes. Chromosomes. Then well developed of nucleus structure, that is called outer nuclear membrane, inner nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, nucleus and chromosome. Presence of only in eukaryotic organism. Presence of only eukaryotic organism. But these occurs the prokaryotic organism. There is a poorly development of nucleus. Poorly development of nucleus. So without the nuclear membrane, its presence of only nucleoplasm and circular type of DNA. Circular type of DNA. That is called a nucleate. What is a nucleate? So nucleate is a poorly development of nucleus. Poorly development of nucleus without the nuclear membrane. Without the nuclear membrane. Without nuclear membrane. Without the nuclear membrane. That is called a nucleoid. These nucleoids structures found in only prokaryotic organism. In mesokaryotic organism, so nuclear characters is similar to the eukaryotic cells. Similar to eukaryotes. Similar to the eukaryotes. That's process of only development of only nucleus, but not well developed. But originate from this only nuclear membrane is also present. Nuclear membrane, that's outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. The nucleoplasm is also present and the nucleus also present and chromatin reticulum also present. Chromatin reticulum also present. That's outer nuclear membrane. Then inner nuclear membrane, nucleoplasm, chromatin threads. Chromatin threads also present. It's similar to the eukaryotes. But this DNA, the chromatin presence of only DNA without histone proteins. Without a histone. So how that differ from this only eukaryotic nucleus and mesokaryotic nucleus? So only difference from this only, say DNA without histone proteins. Without only histone proteins. But these eukaryotic organism presence of only DNA with the histone proteins. DNA with the histone proteins. So next characters. DNA. Say DNA is a presence, but without histone proteins. Without histone proteins. DNA's molecules also present, but without histone proteins. It's also, DNA is also present without histone proteins. So DNA is also present with histone proteins. Histone proteins. There are the 5 types of histone presence only in eukaryotes. What are the 5 types of histone proteins? Histone 1, histone 2A, histone 2B, histone 3 and histone 4. There are the 5 types of histone proteins presence only in eukaryotic organism. In eukaryotic organism. Next one is RNA synthesis. RNA and protein synthesis. RNA and protein synthesis. It's a couples of cytoplasms. Couples of only cytoplasm. So what is RNA? This is central dogma. In the cells of central dogma, it's a DNA structures. So DNA to form up only RNA to form up only protein synthesis. Protein synthesis is a formation of proteins, the process, transcription and translations. Transcription and translation. So DNA double structures. Here is a double helix structures. These double helix structures convert to form a single strand of helix. The single strand of helix are formation of only in protein synthesis. That's a protein are formed. That's a methionine and leucine, lysine, some other protein substances are produced from this only. All the cell inside the cells. Inside the cells, DNA structure convert to the form of RNA convert to form only protein synthesis. This either plant cells or animal cells. It's a cell wall, then cytoplasm. The cytoplasm center contains only nucleus. This nucleus is a couples of cytoplasm. That's RNA synthesis and protein synthesis occurs only in prokaryotic cells within the only cytoplasm. Does not occurs only in nucleus. But these RNA and protein synthesis in mesokaryotic similar to eukaryotes. Similar to eukaryotes. This similar to eukaryotes means it's a plant cells or either animal cells. Plant cell and animal cells. These cells of nucleus, so nucleus only RNA synthesis. Nucleus only RNA synthesis. In cytoplasm, the synthesis of only protein. So DNA also presents only in nucleus. DNA also presents only nucleus. The DNA convert to form only RNA. That process occurs only RNA synthesis within the nucleus. These RNA translocated from this only in cytoplasm nature. Cytoplasmic structure. This cytoplasm synthesis of only protein. RNA convert to form only protein. It's similar to the mesokaryotic cells. It's also similar to the eukaryotic cells. Eukaryotic cells, that is RNA synthesis in nucleus within inside the nucleus. Inside nucleus. In protein synthesis in cytoplasm. The next one is ribosomes. This ribosome presents only 50S ribosomes to 30S ribosomes. To form up only 70S ribosomes. 70S ribosome presents only prokaryotic organism. This 70S ribosomes is a larger unit and a smaller subunit. The larger subunit the larger subunit that is called 550S and smaller subunit that is called 30S. This type of ribosome presents only in prokaryotic organism. In mesokaryotic, it's a 60S subunit and a 40S subunit. That is called 80S subunits are present. 80S type of ribosome presents only mesokaryotic. And 60S is a larger subunit and a smaller subunit. It's a 60S and a larger subunit. 60S larger subunit and a smaller 40S. That's a 60S Swartberg unit are present only ribosomes and a 40S Swartberg unit are present only in ribosome. That's a 80S ribosome particles are present only in mesokaryotic. It's also similar to the eukaryotic cells. The eukaryotic cells also present only 60S and a 40S gives us to form only 80S ribosome unit particles. 80S ribosome unit particles present only in eukaryotic organism. Next, organelles. So what are the organelles present only? Prokaryotic, mesokaryotic and eukaryotic organism. So what are organelles? For each normal type of cells, either plant cells, animal cells, bacteria cells, either normal type of cells. So normal type of cells present only cell wall, cytoplasm, center that is called nucleus, and that is called nucleus, and smaller vacuoles, then mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, then Golgi body. Golgi bodies. What are the organelles are present only in the, it's a normal type of cells in cell wall, cytoplasm. The cytoplasm contains only nucleus. Mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, vacuoles, endoplasmic reticulum, and Golgi body. These organelles are found in only normal type of cell. That's the presence of only all organelles are present only eukaryotic. All organelles are present only eukaryotic. But these prokaryotic organisms only most of the organelles are absent. Maximum presence of only in bacterial cells contains only cell wall. In cell wall is only present, then cytoplasm and nucleoid. Cytoplasm and nucleoid. These are very few organelles only. Very few organelles are present only in prokaryotic organism. So numerous organelles are absent only in prokaryotic organism. So suppose Golgi body is absent, endoplasmic reticulum is also absent, and vacuoles are also absent, mitochondria and chloroplast. These all organelles are only absent in the prokaryotic organism. Very few organelles are present. Only cell wall, cytoplasm and nucleoid. These type of only cell structures are found in only prokaryotic organisms. For example, bacteria and archaeobacteria. In mesokaryotic organism, it's a maximum presence. Because this mesokaryotic organism is similar to the only eukaryotic organism. This what's in mesokaryotic organism? So mesokaryotic organism characteristics, so both are present. So few characters are present only prokaryotic organism. The few characters are similar to the only eukaryotic organism, but a maximum number of the characters are only present only in eukaryotic organism. But these all organelles are present only mesokaryotic organism. So presence. All organelles are present only eukaryotic organism. The next one is organizations. So organizations to form only, let's say prokaryotes, mesokaryotes and eukaryotes. Mesokaryotes and eukaryotes. These organizations, the prokaryotes maximum single cells. Single cells maximum unicellular organism. This organism made up of only one cells. That is a unicellular organism. All unicellular organisms are found in only in prokaryotic organism. In mesokaryotic organisms, single cells and colonial forms. Single cell organism. These organism, a group of organism found in only a particular place. That's a colonial form. That is a mesokaryotic organism. So mesokaryotic organism are organelles, a single cellular and a colonial form. In eukaryotic organism, single cells and colonials and multicellular organisms. These bodies are made up of only many cells. Multicellular organisms are made up of only in many cells. That's a single cell organisms are found in only eukaryotic organism. For examples, algal groups. Colonial form of organisms are found in only eukaryotic. For examples, nostoc types of plants. multicellular organism, the cell body is made up of only many cells. Cell body is made up of only many cells. That group of organs are found in only eukaryotic organisms. Next, cell movements. Cell movements. The cell movements one place to. That's some types of any other types of cells. For example, in bacterial cells. For example, in bacterial cells, this cell body is surrounded by this only flagella. Flagella. This flagella used to produce only movement of one place to the another place. Movements produce only one place to the another place. That's a flagella. It's a prokaryotic organism. How can move from one place to the another place? With help of only in flagella. For example, in bacteria. In mesokaryotic organism, the cell movements from one place to the another place, flagella and gliding. And gliding movements. Gliding movements. So flagella, already you know this, the flagella, so body surface covered by the inflamed thread-like structures surrounded by this only body surface in flagella. But gliding movements, so gliding movements one place to the another place on the body segments movements only with help of only gliding movements from one place to the another place in mesokaryotic organism. The next one is eukaryotic organism with help of flagella and cilia. Flagella and with help of only cilia. It's some types of organism found in only in flagella and long thread-like structure. There is called Chlamydomonas examples present only in flagella. The body surface surrounded by this only small thread-like structures. So free-form apparatus are found in only very small, minute as outgrowth developed from only outer body surface with help of only in cilia. They move from one place to another place in eukaryotic organism with help of flagella, cilia. Flagella and cilia. So next one is cell divisions. The cell division occurs. What is cell division? The cell can able to divide one cells to form only two cells. One cells to form only two cells. Say parental cells. The parental cells produce only two daughter cells. Can able to binary fissions. Can able to binary fissions. For example, in bacterial cells, these bacterial cells can able to divide into binary fissions. Two half equals. Nuclear materials can be divided into two equal parts and cytoplasmic can able to divide into two equal parts and body surface fully divided by two equal parts. The parental cells can able to divide into two daughter cells. So this process that is called a binary fission. It's also same binary fissions. But these eukaryotic organs are found in only mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis and meiosis able to divided by these only two cells. It's a mitosis occurs only direct cell divisions. This meiosis occurs only reduction divisions. Meiosis occurs only reduction divisions. The chromosome number will be reduced, that occurs only meiotic divisions. The chromosome number will be cannot reduce this mitosis cell division process. So next topic is plant cell and animal cells. So plant cells. So first of all, I discuss about only the plant cell. The plant cells outermost layer, that is called the cell wall. The plant cell outermost layer, that is called a cell wall. Inside the plant cells, a small membrane, that is called the cell membrane or plasma membrane. inside the cell wall surrounded by this only protoplasm nature, that is called a cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane or a plasma membrane. The cell can divide into three majorly parts. The first one is cell wall, the second one is cytoplasm, and third one is nucleus. So nucleus is a large cell organelles found in only plant cell and animal cells. So nucleus is a large cell organelles found in only plant cell and animal cells. The center part of the cell, that is called a nucleus. Center part of the cell, that is called a nucleus. So nucleus, nuclear membrane, outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. Outer nuclear membrane and inner nuclear membrane. So nucleus, inside the only nucleoplasm, chromatin reticulum and nucleolus. Chromatin reticulum and nucleolus. This region, that is called a cytoplasm. This region, that is called a cytoplasm. This region, that is called a nucleus. So nucleus is the large cell organelles found in only plant cell and animal cells. The nucleus contains only chromatin reticulum. The chromatin reticulum contains only DNA. So DNA is a genetic hereditary materials. DNA is a genetic hereditary materials present only plant cell and animal cells. So control all the activities of the cell. Which one say control the activities of the cells? So nucleus is the control of the activities of the cell, because this nucleus contains only DNA is a genetic material. It is a genetic material. The plant cells outermost layer, that is called cell wall. Second region, that is called cytoplasm, and third region, that is called nucleus. Third region, that is called nucleus. The cytoplasm contains only in smaller cytoplasmic organelles. Some smaller cytoplasmic organelles. Examples: mitochondria, chloroplast, ribosomes, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, vacuoles. Vacuoles are present. Some other organelles are found in only within the cytoplasm. So what are the organelles are present within the cytoplasm? So mitochondria, it's a powerhouse of the cell. In mitochondria, respiratory organelles. So chloroplast, the chloroplast only presence of plant cells, absence of only animal cells. Only presence of plant cell, absence of only animal cells. So ribosomes is a presence of only both presence in plant cell and animal cells. Endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi body, and vacuoles. These are organelles. All organelles are found in only in plant cell and some other animal cells. So next, animal cells. So animal cells without the cell wall, outermost membrane, that is called a plasma membrane or cell membrane. Animal cells outermost layer, that is called a cell membrane or plasma membrane. Cell membrane or a plasma membrane. So without the cell wall, presence of only animal cells. The cell wall is absent. Cell wall only absent in only animal cells. The center part of the nucleus surrounded by this only nuclear membrane. Nucleus also presents. Mitochondria also presents. Ribosomes also presents. Endoplasmic reticulum also presents. Then Golgi body, lysosomes. Lysosome, cell organ. Some cell organs are present only in animal cells. Some cell organs are present only in animal cells. So now I am going to discuss about comparison between plant cell and animal cells. Now I am going to discuss about comparison between plant cell and animal cells. The first point usually is larger than the animal cells. Larger than animal cells. Usually the plant cell is larger than the animal cells, it's smaller than plant cells. The cell wall is present. Second point, cell wall is present. The cell wall is present only in plant cell. The cell wall, it may be divided into three parts. The first one is primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and tertiary cell walls. Primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and tertiary cell wall. There are three types of cell wall is present in plant cells. The cell wall is made up of only cellulosic substances. Made up of only cellulosic substances. The cell wall is made up of only cellulosic substances. The maximum cell wall is absent. Its outer membrane is present. That is called a plasma membrane. That is called a plasma membrane or cell membrane. And third one is plasma desmata. Plasma desmata is present. What is plasma desmata? It's a cell wall. It's a normal type of plant cells. It's also normal type of plant cells. These plant cells present only outer cell membrane. That's a primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and a tertiary cell walls. Primary cell wall, secondary cell wall, and a tertiary. There are three cell wall layers present only in cell membrane. Three cell wall layers present only cell membrane. So plasma desmata interconnected to the adjacent cells. These are minute pores are present in the interconnected to the adjacent cells. These nuclear some other substances, proteinous substances, and lipid substances translocate from the cell to these cells. This translocate from these cells to these cells. This translocate the some other substance translocate the this cell to these cells with the help of only plasma desmata. This plasma desmata interconnected to the two adjacent cells. These plasma desmata only present only in plant cell. But these plasma desmata are absent. Plasma desmata absent. So how can these materials interchange to this one cell animal cells to another animal cells? It's a type of animal cells. These type of animal cells. These animal cells surrounded by this only cell membrane. This cell membrane very important, semi-permeable membrane. Semi-permeable membrane. It's allowed to this only some other soluble substances and what soluble substance translocated from this only within the semi-permeable membrane through the process osmosis and imbibition process. Cell to cell without plasma desmata. The next one is chloroplast is present. Chloroplast is present, chloroplast absent. So what is the role of this chloroplast? The chloroplast synthesis of food. The chloroplast does not synthesis of food in the occurs only animal cells because without chloroplast. In plant cells presence of only chloroplast, the synthesis of only food. Synthesis of only food. Next one is centrioles absent. centriole is absent, the centriole is present. Centriole is present. The centriole is formation of only during cell divisions. During cell divisions. Cell divisions. The centriole is absent only plant cells. The centriole is present only in animal cells. Lysosomes. Lysosomes is rare. Lysosomes is a rare. In lysosome is present. Lysosome is present only in the animal cells. The lysosome very rare in only in plant cells. The next one is cell nucleus. Cell nucleus is present in only periphery regions. Cell nucleus is present only periphery region because large vacuoles are present. Large vacuoles are present. For example, in plant cells, say large vacuoles are present. The nucleus only near to the only periphery regions. Near to the only periphery regions. So nucleus at present. Nucleus at present only center. Nucleus at present only center because this is a very smaller vacuoles. It's animal cells. It's animal cells. So nucleus very smaller size of only in vacuoles. The nucleus are present only center. Nucleus are present only center. Next one is vacuoles surrounded by tonoplast. Vacuoles is larger at present only in plant cells. Vacuoles are larger in only in plant cells. These vacuoles surrounded by this only in tonoplast membrane. Tonoplast membrane. Ergostic bodies. These ergostic bodies substance absorb from only food material and water waste materials. Water waste materials to absorb from this cytoplasm to within the vacuoles. With the help of only tonoplast. These vacuoles surrounded by this only tonoplast. So vacuoles are smaller. Vacuoles are only smaller. So tonoplast is absent. The tonoplast only absent. The food synthesized there. Next. Food synthesized and storage. Storage in only in starch. Storage in only starch in animal cells. The food storage in glycogens. The food storage in only glycogens. These are the comparison between the plant cell and the animal cells. So what is the major characters or major comparison between the plant cell and animal cells? The cell wall is absent and cell wall is present. The chloroplast is present. Chloroplast is absent. The nucleus materials, nucleus substance are near to the only perivisions. Nucleus only at the center. These are major comparison between the only plant cell and the animal cells. Okay, thank you, Doc. We will pass on the next class.